Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 13th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.08%, settling the day at 39,388.82 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,780.61, raising 0.21%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,104.86 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,090.23. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,406, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 4,680.51 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. India's July CPI inflation sees a sharp decline of 3.54%, the lowest in nearly 5 years. Factory output growth at 5-month low in June. JSW Steel buys 67% stake in Aussie Mine for 1,000 crore. Now talking about global aspects, oil prices ease as markets refocus on demand worries. US July federal deficit grows. Dollar tenses for data verdict on rate cut risks. WTI fell 0.5% to $79.63 a barrel and the Brent 0.5%, lower to $81.89 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.96. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.03%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices witnessed a roller coaster move with a volatility hike, where the market rebounded sharply from the day's lows, driven by positive cues from global markets. However, the session ended with profit booking as investors remained cautious ahead of the release of India's CPI numbers. The Sensex declined by more than 400 points from its intraday high, closing at 79,648.92, while the Nifty finished the day with minor losses at 24,347.00. Outlook for the day: Nifty 50 index is currently encountering resistance around the 24,500 level. The key support is still intact at 24,200 level. If we break this, a decline towards 24,000 is anticipated. Conversely, if the index manages to sustain above 24,450, we could see a move towards 24,700. The overall market structure appears sideways to bullish, indicating buy on dip strategy. Nifty Bank is trading near the upper boundary of its range, suggesting a potential breakout above 50,800. If it holds this level, a move towards 51,200 is likely to come. Key support is at 50,400, a break below this level could lead to a decline towards 49,900. Overall, the market's strength appears to be sideways to bullish, favoring a buy on dip strategy. Stocks on radar: bullish view, Hero MotoCorp, Axis Bank, Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals, ONGC, Hindustan Petroleum Corp. Bearish view, Sun TV, Astral, AB, Bharat Forge, Godrej Consumer. Our chart of the day is bearish on Birlasoft. Trade of the day: Birlasoft, buy at 585 to 588. Stop 578. Targets 610. Aggressive targets at 599. Rationale: support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.